2,700 years ago, ancient poop revealed people in Austria enjoyed beer and blue cheese. Several thousand years ago, an Iron Age miner dumped trash in what is now the Hallstatt Dachstein, Salzkamp Mirgut region of Austria. Most likely, the pooper never knew of his little incident and would be an even more surprised to learn that now it has become a scientific artifact that allows researchers to know that Europeans ate blue and cheese and drank beer 2700 years ago. The study's authors report an on ancient excrement in the journal Current Biology, revealing that telophase has been preserved in prehistoric salt mines in the area for the past thousands of years. Using a variety of analytical techniques, they were able to identify the microbes, proteins and DNA present in the stool samples. This is in turn allowed them to get an idea of the diets of the Iron Age miners in this part of Europe as well as the composition of their gut bacteria. Their findings suggest a diet rich in carbohydrates and fiber consisting mostly of unprocessed bran and a mixture of different types of grains is most likely consumed in the form of porridge. This basic product is supplemented with proteins from nuts as well as fruits, animal products. The study's author also noted that the gut microbiome of ancient miners was very similar to that of modern non-Western people whose diet typically consisted of fresh fruits, vegetables, and other minimally processed foods. Comparing these old stool samples with newer humans, the study's author point out that gut microbiome of modern industrial humans has diverged from its former state, possibly due to modern lifestyle, diet, or advances in medicine. The most notable results came when the researchers expanded their analysis to include fungi and found high concentration of species such as Penicillium roqueforti and Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which are used in the production of blue cheese and beer, respectively. Whole genome analysis shows that both fungi are involved in food fermentation and provides the first molecular evidence for the consumption of blue cheese and beer during an Iron Age in Europe. Study author Frank Messner said in a statement, according to the researchers, Iron Age miners likely used a beer fermentation method that would have produced an end product similar to today's light beer. The use of fungi to ripen cheese, meanwhile, will allow miners to extend the shelf life of milk while removing much of the lactose, making it easier for populations with high levels of lactose intolerance to digest. While the production of fermented alcoholic beverages is thought to be widespread in prehistory, the authors present their results, the earliest known evidence for the targeted ripening and affinity of cheese in Europe, which brings together an emerging picture of the highly complex culinary traditions of early Europe. Thanks.